नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावन नमस्तेऽस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुष पूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मि सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः परज्ञानमयो असद्भिः नामजात्यादिभिर्विभुः न योगवान् न युक्तो अभूत् नैव पार्थिव योक्ष्यते तस्य आत्मपरदेहेषु सतोऽपि एकमयं हि यत् विज्ञानं परमार्थोऽसौ द्वैतिनो अतथ्यदर्शिनः विष्णुरन्ध्रप्रभेदेन भेदषड्जादिसंज्ञितः अभेदव्यापिनो वायोः तथा अस्य परमात्मनः एकस्वरूपभेदश्च बाह्यकर्मप्रवृत्तिजः देवादिभेदे अपध्वस्ते नास्त्येव आवरणे हि सः. We finished with the 14th Adhyaya. The 14th Adhyaya gave us the conclusion of Jatapara. Not full, final conclusion illa, but sort of he gives the tattvam here. It is Atma paradeheshu ekamayam eva atma tu sarveshu api deheshu eka eva vartate vijnana rupena vartate. Tatra atathya darshinaha, those who see a duality between everybody. Those who see that the Atma which is present in mine is different from the Atma that is present in others, then they are actually looking at illusory appearances. They do not understand the Tattvam behind this. So it is similar to how sound, which because of the Upadhi that is there, we can take the example of a bamboo flute, wherein it is only one type of air that is being blown into that flute, but then depending on which hole the air is coming out, which holes are closed, the sound, the pitch and the tonal difference is there in the sound. But it's the same wind which goes into everything. So upadibedena tatra bhavati iti udaharanataya uktam. So whatever is the confining adjunct for the Atma, we try to superimpose the upadhi dharmas onto the Atma here. So just in the same way, when the avaranam is removed, when the upadhi is completely removed, then we only look at one Swarupa, there is no difference at all. Okay, so this is where he finished, and then he starts off with another episode here. So Ribu Nidagha Samvadaha, this is as quoted by Jadabharata. अथ पञ्चदशोऽध्यायः पराशर उवाच इत्युक्ते मौनिनं भूयः चिन्तयानं महीपतिं प्रत्युवाच अथ विप्रः असौ अद्वैत अन्तर्गतां कथां. विप्रः सः यः भरतः आसीत्, तदनन्तरं मृगः, तदनन्तरम् अधुना जडः वर्तते, स एव भरतः विप्रः असौ इति उक्ते सति. when he had said this, एवं उक्ते सति मौनिनं भूयः चिन्तयानं महीपतिं प्रत्युवाच. अथ, after having said this, he saw that the king was mauni, he was very quiet. Bhuyaha chintayanam, he was constantly again thinking about something. You look puzzled. If that doubt is not cleared, then you will know immediately upon seeing the face whether the person has understood it completely or not. Because the Mahipati, the king, Savvira Raja, he was again thinking about something that was going on. So, Pratyuvacha, Atha Vipraha Asau, Advaita Antargatam Katham Pratyuvacha, he again spoke by telling him about a story which has this Advaita Tattvam within it. Advaita Antargatam Katham. Brahmana Uvacha, श्रूयतां नृपशार्दूल यद्गीतं ऋभुणा पुरा अवबोधं जनयता निदाघस्य महात्मनः. पुरा यत्, हे नृपशार्दूल, पुरा ऋभुणा अवबोधं जनयता ऋभुणा निदाघस्य महात्मनः निदाघस्य यत् गीतं तत् श्रूयतां. Listen to the words, or listen to the Geetam Garcha, it's not a song or anything. yadyaduktam ityeva, that which Ribhus told to Nidaga, Mahatmanaha Nidagasya, avabodham janayata ribhuna yat geetam tathapi vaktum shakyate. So one who wanted to give janayata, one who wanted to produce an avabodha, a realization in Nidaga, Ribhu said the whatever he said before, tat shruyatam. I will tell you the same thing now. I'll narrate the story of Ribhu and Nidaga, which happened long time ago. Shruyatam. Listen to it. Ribhur nama abhavat putraha brahmanaha parameshtinaha vignata tattva sadbhavaha nisargadeva bhupati. So brahmanaha parameshtinaha putraha. Parameshthi eva Brahma, one who is the biggest parama pade vartate parame tishtati iti parameshthi. So one who is present in the Satyaloka. So Brahmanaha putraha Ribhuhu nama abhavat. Ribhu, he had a son called Ribhu. Idella vandu whether these come in the creation or not, Srishti krame tu atra Ribhuhu iti prayaha nasti. Then how do we say this? You can say Kalpabeda, or he created other people also. In his creation, Ribhu was just created like that. He need not have come from a parent, some other parents or something like that. So it could be just a creation of Muni, right? Siddhaha, Charanaha, they were all created as Devayoni. In the same manner, Ribhu was also created like a Devarshi, probably. So abhavat yaha vijnata tattva sadbhavaha tattva sadbhavaha sataha bhavaha yena vijnatam. One who had understood the tattvam behind every sat bhava vastu, whatever is present, every bhava vastu ityukte abhavasya virodhena, that which is not absent but that which is present. So sad vastu yadyad vartate tasya bhavaha na existence, and its tattvam, its real knowledge, Atmatattvam, avladhan. Vijnata Atmatattvaha saha ityeva. Nisargadeva bhupate. By nature, the moment he was born itself, he had that quality in him to look at the true nature of every existing object in the world. He understood that these are all upadhis and an illusory appearance over the Atman. Tadrishaha Ribhuhu asita brahmanaha putraha. Tasya shishyaha nidaghaha abhut Pulastyatanayaha pura pradat ashesha vijnanam saha tasmai paraya muda. Tasya shishyaha abhut Pulastyatanayaha pura. Pura in those days, Pulastya's son Nidagha was his son. I think on the chart la vandadhu in the Vamshavali, I think we saw this. Pulastyasya putraha, Pura Vishravasa putraha. Vishravas was Pulastya's son, and then Ravana was Vishravas' son. Pulastya had another son who was Nidagha, and Nidagha was Ribhu's Shishya. This could be that Pulastya, or it could be another Pulastya also. Pradat ashesha vijnanam saha tasmai parayamuda. Parayamuda, with great happiness, saha ribhuhu tasmai nidaghaya ashesha vijnanam pradat. He imparted all of the knowledge to him. Avapta jnana tattvasya na tasya advaita vasanam saribhuhu tarkayamasa nidaghasya nareshwara. He Nareshwara, avapta jnana tattvasya nidagasya tasya advaita vasanam na. He did not have any advaita vasana, and so saha tarkayamasa, ribhuhu tarkayamasa. Even though he had gotten all the knowledge. See, knowledge, to turn knowledge into wisdom abdingro. There is an expression in English where you say you keep accumulating knowledge, but there is a point where you have to turn it into wisdom. That is application. As and when you start applying whatever you have collected, that is when adu vandu parimalikkungrom illaya. Tatraiva paripakaha vartate and rajatecha. So until then, it is just a stagnant thing which is weighing down in your brain, which has no use at all. The moment you start applying everything that you study, அப்போதான் it gains prominence and it becomes a true knowledge. So avapta jnana tattvasya, even though he had attained jnanam, tattvam, everything, he has read all of it as far as the books are concerned or shastram is concerned, kintu na tasya advaita vasana iti bhavitavyam. और दृष्ट्वा सः तस्य अद्वैतवासनां न इति दृष्ट्वा और द्वितीया विभक्ति கொஞ்சம் அங்க இட்ஸ் டிஃபிகல்ட் டு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் தட் द्वितीया ओके न तस्य अद्वैतवासना सः रिपुः तर्कयामास he thought about what to do in order to bring about that vasana for him. இத வாசனானே எடுத்துக்கோங்க, பிரதமாலியே இருக்கட்டும், கோரக்பூர்ல அப்படிதான் இருக்கு. So we'll just take it like that. அவாப்த ஞான தத்துவஸ்ய
just கீதா பிரஸ்ல புக்ல அவாப்த ஞான தந்திரஸ்யங்கற
தந்திரம் தத்துவம் இல்ல, அது இன்னும் பெட்டர்.
தந்திரஸ்யங்கற
கண்டிப்பா அது
ஞான தந்திரஸ்ய தஸ்ய அத்வைத வாசனான்னு அப்படி போட்டுருக்காங்க.
தந்திரம்னாலே உங்களுக்கு வந்து இட் இஸ் ஈவன் பெட்டர் பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு வெளி நாலேஜ், ப்ராக்டிக்கல் அப்ளிகேஷன். இப்போ தந்திர சாஸ்திரம்னு எடுக்கிறச்சேயே இட் இஸ் அ மோர் ப்ராக்டிக்கல் சாஸ்திரம் தானே சொல்கிறோம். எனிதிங் தட் இஸ் மந்திரபூர்வகம் இஸ் மனனம் இல்லாத, அது வெளியில் பார்க்கக்கூடிய யந்திரம் தந்திரம் அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடிய விஷயங்கள். ஸோ இட் இஸ் மோர் ஞானசிய தந்திரம்ங்கிறச்சு ஹீ நோஸ் ஆல் த பிரின்சிபல்ஸ் பிஹைண்ட் வாட் எவர் ஹீ ஹஸ் ஸ்டடிட், பட் ஹீ டசன்ட் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் த தத்துவம், தி எசன்ஸ் இல்லை. அதனால ஞான தந்திரஸ்ய இருந்தால் இன்னும் நைஸ். So advaita vasana na tasya, but he did not have any advaita vasana. So saha rivuhu tarkayamasa, he started thinking about how to get this person to think about advaita. Yeah. devikayas tate veera nagaram nama vaipuram samriddham atiramyancha pulasthena niveshitam. So this must probably be another Pulastya அப்படின்னு தான் எனக்கு தோன்றது. ஸோ அதே புலஸ்திரா கூட இருக்கலாம். Pulastya might have taken up residence in a city called Veeranagara, which is on the banks of Devika Nadi. समृद्धं वीरनगरम अतिरम्यं च वीरनगरम पुलस्त्येन निवेशितं. So Pulastya was staying in this city. निवेशितं तत्र तेन उषितं. So he was staying in that place which is called Veeranagara on the banks of Devika Nadi, which was very prosperous. The city was prosperous, samriddham, and atiramyam, very beautiful. रम्य उपवन पर्यन्ते सः तस्मिन् पार्थिवोत्तम निदागः नाम योगज्ञः रिपुशिष्यः अवसत् पुरा. सो तस्मिन् रम्य उपवन पर्यन्ते हे पार्थिवोत्तम, सो वीरराज, तस्मिन् in that city Veeranagare, रम्य उपवन प्रान्ते, in the edge of that city there is a beautiful garden that is there. रम्य उपवन Paryanta Bhage. So in the outskirts of the city, where or in the city itself there are some beautiful gardens which are present, and in that garden Nidagaha nama Yogagnaha Ribhu Shishyaha avasat. So Ribhu's disciple by name Nidagha, who was Yogagnya, who was a practitioner of yoga, avasat pura. Ana advaita vasana illa, right? So he did not have that advaita vasana. He has to teach him now. Divye varsha sahasretu samatite asya tatpuram jagama sa ribhuhu shishyam nidagam avalokakaha nidagam avalokayitum gataha iti. So ribhu divye varsha sahasre samatite, when 100 divya varsham. So this is then it is the deva rishi eva atra. So when 1000 divya varsham, when 1000 divine years had were crossed, samatite, when 1000 years were gone by, within that time tatpuram jagama ribhu went to that city to look at his shishya. Shishyam avalokakaha, nidagam shishyam avalokakaha, in order to see his shishya who was called Nidaga. सः तस्य वैश्वदेवान्ते द्वारालोकनगोचरे स्थितः तेन गृहीत अर्घ्यः निजवेश्म प्रवेशितः. So when he was giving Vaishwadeva Bali, so Vaishwadeva Ante, at the end of, after giving the Bali for Vaishwadevas, the Brahma Yajnam time nanekren illaya. So Dwara Alokana Gochare, in the vicinity, Gocharamna, in the vicinity of where he could see properly, and at the Dwaram, at the doorstep. So he was standing at the doorstep, Dwara Alokana Gochare. அந்த வைஸ்வதேவ பலிங்கிறது இட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ அந்த நம்ம இப்போ பண்ணுறது என்னென்னா அந்த காக்காய்க்கு சாதம் போடுறதுங்கிறோமே, வெரி சிமிலர் டு தட். அங்கே அப்போது வைஸ்வதேவருக்கு கொடுக்குற ஒரு பலி. அந்த பிண்டம் வைக்கும் பொழுது யூ லுக் டுவர்ட்ஸ் த door and try to see if some atithi is coming at that point of time, so that you can give them food and then have food for yourself. So usually every day this is a process that people do. They give this bali to prani and everybody else. Vaishwadevana peru anga matta pitrukkalukku kudukakuriya oru bali, and then at the end of it you wait for an atithi to come. After serving the atithi you take food. This is the process that they used to follow in those days. So atrapi saha nidagaha saha ribuhu तस्य निदागस्य वैश्वदेवान्ते द्वार आलोकनगोचरे स्थितः सन्. He was standing at the entrance where this person will also see at the end of the Vaishwadeva Bali. Tena grihita arghyah, having given arghyam by him, by the nidaga, by shishya, nija veshma praveshitah, he was also asked to enter into his own house, that is nidaga's house. Nija veshma prakshalita angripanim cha kritasana parigraham uvacha saha dvijasreshtah bhujyatam iti sadara. Saha dvijasreshtah nidagaha, the one who is the best among the Brahmanas, Nidaga, he told this person, that is Ribhu, after washing his feet, prakshalita angripanim pada puja, after doing his pada puja, krita asana parigraham, who had also taken up his seat, asana parigraham api kritam yena ribhuna tam prati bhujyatam iti sadaram uvacha. Chapadungo, please have food. Iti sadaram, with great respect he spoke to him. Ribuhu uvacha bho vipravarya. Ingenda ஆரம்பிக்கிறது. Bhoktavyam yadannam bhavataha grihe. Illa, modalla he asks him to prepare all good food and then he will start. So bho vipravarya bhoktavyam yadannam bhavataha grihe tat kathyatam kadanneshu na pritihi satatam mama. Kadanneshu, kat is an for ku you substitute it with kat in the sense of dushtam. Dushtam annam iti ku annam அப்படிங்கிற இடத்துல you say kadannam. Wherever it is followed by ach, இது முன்னாடியே நம்ம பார்த்தோம். So he vipravarya, bho vipravarya yat annam bhavataha grihe bhoktavya. The food that has to be taken in your house, tat katyatam, tell me what food I have to eat, because I don't like to eat bad food. Kadanneshu pritihi mama satatam na vidyate. I do not have a preeti, I do not have an affection towards eating bad food, so tell me what I have to eat, what good food is there in your house that I can eat. Nidaga uvacha bhakta yavaka vattyanam apupanancha me grihe yadrochate dvijasreshtha tatvam bhunkshva yathechaya. As you please, yathechaya tvam bhunkshva, you may eat, he dvijasreshtha. Bhakta, bhaktam is that which has been cooked. So bhakta is, you can take it as annam, or bhakta can be just any cooked item. அடுத்தது யாவக சக்தூன்னு இன்னொரு ரீடிங் இருக்கு. சக்தூன்னு அந்த சத்து மாவுங்கிறோம் இல்லையா, that is also probably what he is saying. Yavaka is barley, and then vattyanam apupanam, அதுவும் வந்து அப்பூப்பங்கரிச்சு இந்த கந்த மூல பலம் இதெல்லாம் வச்சு ஒரு வடை மாதிரி தட்டி different items that he is mainly saying, you know, what are all there in my house. So அப்பூப்பன்னா பூரிம்போம் இல்லைன்னா அந்த இது மாதிரி வடை மாதிரி தட்டினத்துக்கும் அப்பூப்பம்மங்களாம். So you can also call it as that. So vatya is another kind of grain. There are different kinds of grains that I have used to make apupam for you. So me grihe vartate apupanam cha yadrochate. Among these, whatever you like, you may eat. अपूपानां च मध्ये यत् भवते रोचते तत्तु त्वं भुङ्क्ष्व. You can eat. ऋभुः उवाच कदन्नानि द्विजैतानि मृष्टमन्नं प्रयच्छ मे संयाव पायसादीनि द्रप्स्य फाणितवन्ति च. All of these are bad food. Kadannam. Kadannani etani he dvija. All of these are not fit to be eaten at all. Kadannam. Mrishtam annam prayachame. You have give me something which is mrishtam. Mrishtam annamna something that is made fresh abdingar. Or mrishtam can also mean swadu yad vartate, madhuram yad vartate tadrasham annam dehi iti. So mrishtam annam prayachame. Give me something which is sweet. Samyava payasadini. Desserts matram kekrar. Samyava payasadini. Samyava is அந்த ஜவ்வரிசி போட்டு ஒரு பாயசம் பண்ணும். Sabudana, right? So you make a kheer with that. That is called samyava payasadini. Different types of sweet items. And drapsya phanita vanti. Drapsyam gardu more usually. So it's phanitam is sugar. So drapsya is buttermilk which has sugar in it. So it is like lassi. So give me sweets like kheer etc. and lassi. இதெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம்னா சிரிப்பு வர மாதிரி இருக்கலாம், you know, but it's not. ஹாஸ்யபூர்வகம் நாஸ்தி அத்ர. கிமர்த்தம் இதி சேத், if you look at the dietary restrictions given in Gita, so something which is sweet, which is light, which is dravam, you know, இதுதான் வந்து சாத்விக ஆகாரம் இது ஆகாரः इति उच्यते खलु. तस्मात् सः तु सात्विक आहारं पृच्छति. कदन्नानि द्विजैतानि मृष्टमन्नं प्रयच्छ मे संयाव पायसादीनि द्रप्स्य फाणितवन्ति च. फाणितं शर्करा. Nidagha uvacha. He immediately calls his wife and says, cook immediately. Whatever you have, bring it here. So he shalini madgehe yatkinchid atishobhanam bhakshya upasadhanam vrishtam tena asya annam prasadhaya. Tena asya annam prasadhaya. So he Shalini. Shalini is one who has a great character. So he Shalini madgehe yadyat kinchit atishobhanam. Whatever is very good in my house, in our house, madgehe asmadgehe bhakshya upasadhanam, anything that is useful for eating. Upasadhanam is something that is good to eat. Mrishtam and sweet. Tena asya annam prasadhaya. Mix that as food or mix that with the food and give him prasadhaya. Give him, present it to him. Prasadayana alankaranam kuru iti. Annam madhura vastuna alankaranam kritva tatra anaya iti. So you have to decorate it or mix it with more sweet items and then present it to him. Brahmana uvacha. This is, in the Brahmana uvacha is Jadabharata. Ityukta tena sa patni. You know, he is the one who is narrating the story here. So the conversation is between Ribhu and Nidagha. So wherever he has to narrate the rest, in the conversation tree potukanum. Yeah, so it is actually the conversation, original conversation is between Janaparda and Sabbira. Ityukta tena sa patni mrishtamannam dvijasya yat prasadhitavati tadvai bhartur vachana gauravat. Bhartuhu vachana gauravat, out of a respect towards her husband's words, evam ukta sa, being said by him, tena nidaghena evam ukta sa patni Shalini mrishtam dvijasya mrishtam annam prasaditavati. She came and gave some sweet food to the brahmana, to Ribhu. Tam bhuktavantam ichhataha mrishtamannam mahamunim निदाघः प्राह भूपाल प्रश्रय अवनतः स्थितः. Nidagha spoke to him, hey Bhupala, Saubira Raja, tam bhuktavantam ichhataha bhuktavantam ichhataha mrishtam annam bhuktavantam mahamunim Nidagaha prashraya avanataha sthitaha sann praha. So after he spoke to him who had eaten, bhuktavantam, who had eaten according to his wish, ichhataha, viruppapadi, mrishtam annam, the sweet food which was prepared fresh, Mahamunim, who was also a great sage, Nidaga spoke to him. Nidaga, who was standing, sthitaha sanna, who stood, prashraya avanataha, who was bowing his head down with humility, and he was standing there, and he spoke to this person who had eaten everything according to his wishes here. So tam bhuktavantam ichhataha mrishtamannam mahamunim nidagav praha bhupala prashrayavanata stitaha nidagha uvacha apite paramatriptihi utpanna tushtirevacha apite manasam swastham aharena kritam dvija. Api அப்படிங்கிறது இட்ஸ் பிரஷ்னை, பிரஷ்னார்த்தே அபி கிம் அப்படின்னு கேட்குற மாதிரி இந்த இடத்துல. கிம் தே பரமா திருப்திஹி, தே பரமா திருப்திஹி கிம், ஆர் யூ வெரி சாட்டிஸ்ஃபைட், அபி தே பரமா திருப்திஹி இது, இட்ஸ் த சேம் மீனிங் ஹியர். அபி பிரஷ்னே. உத்பன்னா துஷ்டிரேவச்ச, டு யூ ஹாவ் திருப்தி, டு யூ ஹாவ் துஷ்டி. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ், இது ரெண்டு, திருப்தி இஸ் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷன், துஷ்டி இஸ் ஹாப்பினஸ். Being satisfied is very complacent. It is a neutral attitude. The next level is ananda. Ananda anubhutihi vartate va iti. So utpanna tushtihi. Were you very satisfied? Were you also very happy? Apite manasam swastham aharena kritam dvija. Is your mind also very healthy because of the food? Aharena manasamapi swastham kritam api kritam kim. Is your mind, has your mind te manasam tava, is your mind also very healthy na, clean, swastham na, is feeling very happy about it. Swastham na healthy ya solra. So ahara shuddhehe manas shuddhihi la. So the moment our aharam becomes very shuddham, kadannam iti tasya pritihi nasti iti uktam. Tasmat atra kadannam nasti mrishtannam asti. So madhurannena manasam api madhuram kim அப்படின்னு கேட்குறார். क्व निवासो भवान् विप्र क्वच गन्तुं समुद्यतः आगम्यते च भवता यतस्तच्च द्विज उच्यताम्. So he doesn't even realize who this is. So he is asking him, Kva nivasaha bhavan vipra, he vipra, bhavan kva gantum samudyataha. Kva nivasaha, take that as a separate sentence here. Kva nivasaha, enga veedun kekronga, adeda. Where is your house? Bhavan kvacha gantum samudyataha. Where have you taken where are you ready to go now? Agamyate cha bhavata yataha tacha uchyatam he dvija. Hey Dvija, wherever you are coming from, tell me where that is also. So yataha bhavata agamyate, yasmat sthanat bhavata agamyate atra bhavan agacchati tat sthanam cha kim iti uchyatam. Please let me know from where you are arriving. Ribuhu vacha. Now the Advaita ida kshudyasya tasya bhukte anne triptir brahmana jayate name kshut na abhavat triptihi kasman mam prichhasi. Only for a person who was hungry, the moment he ate, he will have a tripti. Kshutyasya. So the kshut or the hunger is only for the body, not for the atma. So yasya kshut vartate tasya bhukte anne. If he eats the food, then tasya eva triptihi jayate he brahmana nidaga. Only that person, whoever feels the hunger, only that person will also feel satisfied when he eats the food. Name kshut, me iti atma vivakshaya atra. He is constantly in that Advaita Vasana. So he says, me iti atmanaha kshutu na vidyate satu prana dharmaha vartate. It is the dharma of the pranan, it is not the dharma of the atma. So me kshutu na abhavat. I never had a hunger. Triptihi kasmat mam prichhasi pariprichhasi. Why are you asking me about satisfaction here? Are you satisfied in it? Kshutyasya tasya bhukte anne triptir brahmana jayate. Imagine to be in that level, to always feel it's the sharira dharma or the prana dharma or the mano dharma. It is not the dharma of the atman. Abdina, that's such a supreme state that he is talking about. Kshutyasya tasya bhukteyanne triptir brahmana jayate name kshud na abhavat triptihi kasman mam prichhasi. I'll stop with this. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vacham tato jayam udirayet.